For my next robot, I wanted to build something a little more unique. This is Fred, a hexagonal kinematic chain robot. Unlike traditional robots with wheels or treads, Fred moves around by performing full body rolling. Stick around and I'll show you the design and build process, as well as how it works. For this design, I started with the general structure of the robot being 6 panels of alternating design so that they could fold over each other. Then I added cutouts for the servo motors and their horns so they could directly drive 3 of the joints, fully constraining the shape of the robot. Then I added features and cutouts for mounting the control board, the voltage regulator, and the battery. Finally, I added some TPU bumpers around every other panel to improve the robot's traction. Compared to my previous robots, this sketch has a bit more going on. Up top, I defined the pinouts for the servo motors, as well as the values they should be written to that correspond to a right angle and a flat shape. I also have an array of angles for each motor to cycle through that create a sequence of shapes to cause full body rolling. This array contains 4 different rolling gates that the robot can switch between. In the setup, I initialize everything, and then in the loop of the program, I first look to see if any data is available from the remote control. If any buttons have been pressed, I use this to switch between gates of the robot or set it to special shapes. Finally, if forward or backward motion is commanded, I use the ramp library to calculate the current angle each servo should be set to interpolate between the shapes used for rolling. As you can see, Fred is able to change its shape to tip from panel to panel and roll across the ground. This full body rolling offers some advantages over traditional wheeled robots, like being able to roll over larger obstacles and through looser environments like sand or snow. Fred can also change between different gates that offer a variety of trade-offs between speed, efficiency, and stability. Despite these advantages, Fred has one major limitation, and that is its inability to turn. If you have any ideas on how to incorporate turning while still maintaining full body rolling, feel free to put those down in the comments.